How to turn off active on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll guide you on how you can turn off active status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to turn off your active status on Instagram, all you have to do is just go ahead and first of all launch the Instagram app here. Once you launch the Instagram app, you're gonna come to this page right over here where you have to tap the profile icon located at the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon located at the bottom right, tap the three lines icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Then you want to go to settings. Then once you go to settings, you're gonna land on this page where you have to select the option called privacy, as you can see at the top. Once you go to privacy, scroll and then look for the option called activity status, so just tap on it. Once you tap on activity status, if you'd like to hide the activity status, all you have to do is just turn these toggles off. Once you turn them off, no one else will be able to view your active status, and similarly you will also not be able to view other people's active status. That's it on how you can turn active on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.